Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to tackle about the maxima and minima. So the maxima and minima of a function are the largest and smallest value of a function, respectively either within a given range or in the entire domain. So in here, we're going to differentiate the maxima and minima. So maxima will be the highest point on the curve within the given range, and minima would be the lowest point on the curve. So the combination of maxima and minima is called extrema. It's called extrema. So if we look at here, you saw that this white section is increasing. So that's why it has positive gradient. So the function of y is greater than 0. And in here, we saw that this red section is decreasing. So that's why it has a negative gradient. So the derivative of y is less than 0. So here. But what's about the point that switches from positive to negative or negative to positive? So right about the top of the curve here, or the bottom of the curve here, if we put a tangent line in this, it could be horizontal line. Therefore, the gradient is 0. So derivative of y is equals to 0. This point is given a special name, which is the stationary point. So stationary point. We're going to proceed here. So we have here the first derivative test, or FDT. So the first one is the function y equals f of x is a maximum for x is equal to a if the derivative of y is greater than 0 for x is less than a. Derivative of y is equals to 0 for x equals a. The derivative of y is less than 0 for x is greater than a. So the second one is the function of y is equals to f of x is a minimum for x equals a if the derivative of y is less than 0 for x is less than a. So the derivative of y is equals to 0 for x is equals to a. The derivative of y is greater than 0 for x is greater than a. So proceed. We have an example here, which is y is equals to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x plus 1. So we have the following steps here to follow. So the first one is the value of x for which the function is the maximum and minimum. The next one is the maximum and minimum value of a function. And the third one is the maximum and minimum point of a curve. So the first one, which is the a, is the value of x for which the function is a maximum and minimum. So we're going to identify if it is a maximum or a minimum. So we're going to get its derivative. So derivative of y is equals to 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. So since the derivative of y is equals to 0, so it's going to be 3x squared minus 12x plus 9 is equals to 0. So we have a common factor of 3, so we're going to divide both sides by 3. So it's going to be x squared minus 4x plus 3 was 0. So we're going to factorize this one. So we have x minus 1 and x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x equals 1 and x equals 3. So next steps, we're going to substitute this one. So we're going to start here at x is equals to 1. So to substitute, we have here y is equals to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x plus 1. So to substitute, we have now y is equals to 1 or 3 minus 6 1 squared plus 9 1 plus 1. So we have here equals to 1. So we're going to 6 plus 9 plus 1. So total is 5. So next we have here at x is equals to 3. So for this one we have y equals 3 6 3 squared plus 9 3 plus 1. So we have here 3 times 3 equals 9 times 3 equals 27 minus 3 times 3 12 times 8. So we now have 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27 minus so we have now 3 times 3 equals 9 times 3 equals 27 minus 3 times 3 equals 9 times 6 equals 54 plus 27 plus 1. So it's going to be equals to 1. We'll consider here as this x equals 3. It's going to be x is greater than 3. So it's going to be y prime into y is 3x squared minus 12x plus 9. So substitute, we have x is greater than 3, so we're going to use 4. So let's have 3 4 squared minus 12 4 plus 9. So going to compute this 9 here. So x is greater than 3 as y of y is greater than 0. So the next one we have b. Up here b. So b. So we're going to the max and minimum value of a function. So the max and minimum value of function, we have y is equals to x cubed minus 6x squared plus 9x minus 3. So the max value x, have here x equals 1, so no, so we have y is equals 2, have here cube minus 6 y squared plus 9 1 minus 3. So the answer is 1. So this is the maximum value. And here the minimum. So we have x equals 3. So it's going to be x equals 3. So x equals 2. 3 power of 3 or cube 6 3 plus 9 times 3 minus 3. So it's going to be negative 3. So it could be this 3. This 3 is the minimum value. So this is the maximum value, the minimum value. Next, the last one, which is the maximum and minimum point of a curve. So if we're going to identify the maximum and the minimum point of a curve, we're just going to find the maximum and minimum point, which is the maximum and minimum point of this is 1, x equals 1, and y is equals to 1. And this side we have x is equals 3 and y is equals to negative 3. So this is the maximum and minimum point of a curve. So that's all. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot about this topic in this video. So thank you and God bless everyone.